Heritage is a platform for young girls in Eswatini to display their love of Eswatini culture. During this process every year, young girls are groomed to understand Eswatini culture and to promote it. Cultural Heritage Eswatini is a landmark in the calendar of Eswatini National Council of Arts and Culture, and a significant event among the young girls in the Kingdom of Eswatini. Last year final witnessed a dramatical change in this event. Well-packed audience. Quality entertainment.
It's fine. But
just for a moment, if I could really make you mine. Just for a while, to make the hands of time.
Colorful displays of our sponsors, banners and adverts.
You go to the nearest one as of Monday. Macmillan is setting.
And none of the contestants go back home empty-handed. All this made possible with your support and sponsorship. Your contribution today will not only promote Eswatini culture, but contribute to His Majesty King's Vision 2022. We look forward to you. Thank you all for coming, and may the Almighty God bless you.